In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pipeline in Copper CRM. Let's get started right from the beginning so you can follow along smoothly. Open your web browser and search for Copper CRM. In the results, click the official site to continue. Once you're on the home page, sign in with your account so you can access your workspace. After you're logged in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click the pipelines icon. This opens your pipeline board where your opportunities are organized by stage. Think of each column as a step in your sales process and each card as a deal you're working on. To add a new deal, head to the upper right and click the plus sign or the Add Opportunity button. A form will appear where you'll enter key details like the primary contact, the deal value, and the expected close date. Entering accurate information here helps with forecasting and reporting later, so take a moment to fill it out carefully. As your deal progresses, you can move it through the pipeline by dragging and dropping the opportunity card from one column to the next. For example, from qualified to proposal sent. This visual movement keeps your pipeline up to date and gives your team a clear view of what's active and where things stand. When a deal reaches an outcome, you can mark it accordingly. Drag the card to the bottom of the screen to reveal options to mark it as won, lost, or abandoned. You can also update the status directly on the record's details page if you prefer. Keeping statuses accurate ensures your reports and win rates are trustworthy. To customize your pipeline, go to Workspace Settings and select Pipelines. From there, click the gear icon and choose Stages. This is where you can adjust the flow to match your process. If you need another step, click Add a Stage to include it. Clear, consistent stage names help your team understand exactly what each step means. Back in the pipeline, you can customize what you see on each card. Switch to Card View, then open Card Fields to choose which details appear at a glance, like deal value or days in stage. Showing only the most useful fields keeps your board readable and actionable. Finally, you can automate communications when a record enters a specific stage. Look for the lightning bolt icon on a stage header to set this up. This is great for sending timely follow-ups without manual effort, helping you maintain momentum with prospects.